All right, what is going on with BTT? We continue to fall down. Are we going to continue any further? Are we going to be going up from this point? Because I see something cooking in the charts. So guys, make sure you stay for the whole video because I have some very important information that you cannot miss about BTT. All right, guys, let's go ahead and smash the like buttons for BTT because we love BTT. BTT needs our support. This thing is going to be blasting off. So if you love BTT, smash the like button and also comment in the video below. Are we going to continue to go down? Are we going to blast up from here? What's up, guys? My name is Miles. This is my third YouTube channel. In this channel, I'm going to be covering BTT and some other altcoins. So I'm call out big plays with these cryptocurrencies before they happen. So if you want to make a lot of money in cryptocurrencies, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time-sensitive videos. Additionally, I will be giving trade alerts. You can access them in my Patreon. I gave trade alerts when to buy and to sell cryptocurrencies like BTT, DOGECOIN, Ethereum, Cardano, some of your favorite cryptos and stocks. I gave those trade alerts in the Patreon, so you can sign up in the link below. Also, you can join the 1,000 member Discord. I put my trade alerts out in there. You can join the Patreon. The link will be in the description below to get access to the Discord. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the BTT chart. What is going on with BTT? Because look, ever since last night, we've come down. We broke the level of support that we thought we had, which is fine. It was a historical level of support, but we broke down below it. However, we are at a current level of support of 0.0073. Now, this could be the game changer for us because I'm getting a double buy signal here on the 30-minute chart. If I also zoom out, we're getting a lot of buy signals here. So what it is telling us is that there is market manipulation. There's people trying to push this thing down. However, BTT is not going to stand for it. BTT is going to blast off to the moon. However, we could correct a little bit further. Yes, we can go down further. However, at some point, BTT is going to blast off. It is going to break records again. But we must be careful trading BTT. This thing is extremely volatile. But if you're in it for the long term, BTT is going to be worth lots of money in the near future. It's going to be worth lots of money. They're saying BTT is going to hit $1 in a couple of years. They're saying even before that, BTT will hit $1. And there's a lot of reasons. There's a lot of backing for BTT to be able to do that. But if we take a look at the chart, we're seeing BTT. We had a massive run up all the way up to 0.0014, which was a penny. And it was barely anything. It was much less than a penny. It's like 0.0017 something. And just a few days, it came all the way up. Whenever you see something go up all the way up super fast, super quick, stay away from it. Or make a small speculative position. Don't put all of your money into an investment like that. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But whenever you see something go up super fast, that's when you want to pump the brakes because that's when a lot of new investors get crushed. So what happens is, look, we had a massive run up and then we had pretty much had a massive, you could say crash, a little bit of a crash because that retracement or crash was 45%. That was 50%. That was half of the entire price. Half of the money in the entire market cap of BTT was wiped out in just a matter of hours. So what happens is there's a cool off period, and what we are seeing is a current level of support, a strong level of support right here, 0.007. That is our level of support. And what we are actually forming is a descending triangle pattern because we see the price movement encompassed in this area. To be specific, we can actually change the trajectory to about right here. Or we can open it up just a little bit to give us a little bit of a wiggle room. So we are basically at a fork in the road, crossroads for BTT. Is BTT over with? No. But in the immediate short term, a lot of us have questions. What is going to be happening with BTT? Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? So if we break past this level of support, we're going to be headed further down, like I called out in my last video. I say, guys, we have levels of support, which means that the price will bounce off of this and not go below it. That is a level of support. It's a level, it's an area where a price will not go below. So we are seeing that currently price pretty much has not gone below. We see a wick on the 4-hour. It's gone down, it's touched, but it hasn't closed. So what we're looking for is candles to close. That gives us the indication that this is our level of support, and we're most likely not going to be going below it. But if we do go below it, we will break down to further levels of support. But we've seen the price action try to get below it, but it wasn't able to successfully hold under that level. So we are seeing a strong level of support, which means we're most likely going to be bouncing. We're most likely going to be bouncing here because look, on the 4-hour, we are getting a double buy signal. And the last time we had a double buy signal was way over here, February 28th, when we are 0.0011. And look what happened after that double buy signal. We've gone up to incredible heights. So am I saying to buy here? I don't know. I put out my trade alerts, when to buy, when to sell in my Patreon. So if you want to get that, you can join the Patreon. But look, what I think is going to happen is we are going to potentially correct here. We are going to potentially reverse here. This is going to be a reversal area. And we're most likely going to be breaking out of this descending triangle pattern, which most of the time, if something breaks out of the descending triangle pattern, we will start to break out massively, potentially to an area too close to the heights of the length of the triangle, the longest part. So we will most likely break up to touch all-time highs or a little bit before it. And if we count the closed candles, my price target would be 0.012. I think in the next couple of days, based on the crypto market, how everything is moving, if we get another pump, we will pump up to 0.012. That is my price target. So I would be looking to take my profits, if you are trading it, before that 0.011. That is the area where you want to take profits, 0.011. So if you guys like today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe, share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will see you guys tomorrow.